So I'm gonna show you a little bit better now that I have better bear cables. What you do when you get to having a bear cable hang. So you always have hooks like this, and then at another end, you're gonna have a carabiner, okay? Your carabiner is gonna hook to one of the hooks that are on the tree, depending on which one reaches. Usually there's one on either side of the tree. All right, so I'm gonna hang my bag. Now, a lot of people will just hook their bag right on the little hanging things there, but I'm gonna show you kind of what I do to hold mine on. All right, so you'll see, like, I've hooked my bag around it and then the carabiner on the cable itself. I know it's not necessarily what you're supposed to do, but I'm kind of like a gear failure spaz. All right, so now you're gonna always have these, these handles that make it easier to pull the cable down so that you're not using your hands. I'm gonna step on it at the bottom so that I'm able to reach the next one. So you can see my bag is going up, and now you'll see that I have the carabiner. Okay, there's the carabiner. So I'm trying to do video. All right. So now, oops. So I'm gonna grab the carabiner and I'm gonna hook it right there onto the hook on the tree. All right. So what that's done is my bag is hanging up there, and then the cable is down here hooked to the tree. So the biggest thing is, remember that you need to have a carabiner at one end, and then you need to be able to hang your bag where the hooks are at the other end, and you need it to be high enough because sometimes the cables are broken and you can't get it up high enough, but that's not going anywhere tonight. I hope that helps anybody that had questions about hanging with a bear cable. And then, like, tomorrow morning I'll just unhook that, and when I unhook that, then my bag will come down and I will get my food and my smellables back.